Hi, I'm Rajan Mistry, Senior Staff Engineer at Qualcomm Technologies. Yeah, so today here we are showcasing the Qualcomm Robotics RB5 Development Kit, and we are showing how developers have access to open source frameworks to build end-to-end use cases. So the Qualcomm Robotics RB5 Development Kit that we are showing here supports an open source Linux kernel that's available from Linaro, and it's running a ROS framework. So developers really have access to a lot of data using this ROS middleware, and we are showing them how they can use all of this data, right? So the development kit has an IMU sensor. That sensor data is going through a sensor DSP and being made available through ROS nodes. So developers don't have to worry about the underlying implementations. They can just get the data through ROS nodes. And on the back end, we are showing how they can use open frameworks like OpenRMF, where all of this data is being streamed to a service, a backend, where they can see all the robots. It's like a fleet management system where they can implement that by themselves. It's all open frameworks running on these robots. They can aggregate all of the data. They can control those robots remotely over a 5G private network. And we are showing how they can create that end-to-end use case using all of this open source available freely to developers. The Linaro builds that support the upstream Linaro kernels are available on linaro.org. RB5 information is also available on qualcomm.com/developer.